Welcome everybody. So if you have just clicked on this video, you're in the right place. So first of all, I want to thank you for being able to click on this video. So today we're going to be talking about how how Microsoft Excel errors can be solved, and how they look like, and what's all about them, how do they look like here. So we shall start from what brought us here today. So previously I taught you how to make a report card, how to use different features of Microsoft Excel. So here I'd already created the previous report. I'll just refer to it, and when I click to it, you can all see how there are very new things that you had never seen. So I'll start by explaining each of them and how they can be minimized. So as you can see on the aspect here of average, we are seeing very many hashtags. Once you see this thing, don't get scared after entering certain amount of values. So this basically means like the cell is too small for the figures that are very, very big. So the only way you can solve that is by increasing the size of the cell. And you remember what a cell is. A cell is just an interconnection of rows and columns. So straight to the point, you just come here on F. You put your cursor there until you see like there is an arrow showing from this side to the other side. So you just double click on it and then start increasing slowly, and yes, finally you'll see how the values will come about. So you have solved the problem of hashtag hash. So whenever you enter your data and it doesn't bring about whatever you wanted and just brings that, don't get scared. That's basically what it means. So next up we have the hashtag name ? So as you see here, this shows that the formula you entered, its name is wrong. Like you entered the wrong formula, or you misspelled the formula. So here I was trying to rank. So if you're trying to rank, it's supposed to be RA, not RNK. So you just come here and on the formula bar and edit it. You put your A there and press enter. So once you press enter, you see how how it comes out well. So we shall put we shall make our G2 active and then do the same for the rest. So we shall do the same here. To see how the formula was misspelled, correct it and press enter. So here you're trying to rank. Once you see this, don't get scared. It's just that. So we do the same for the rest. We correct the error in the formula. Make this cell active and correct the spelling of the formula. So Microsoft Excel, it's easy for you to correct the formula as long as you know where the mistake and what the error means and what it shows. So we shall do the same for the remaining things and until we finish. And then press enter and we have ranked all of them. So next up we have div/o. So div/o, it means like you either dividing something that is by 0 or by an empty space. And of course, from the basics of mathematics, we know that whenever I divide a given amount by 0, it's always a math error or it doesn't exist. So that's what it means. So Microsoft Excel shows you that you have either divided using an empty reference. So as you see here, if you want, I had divided cell E2, this one, by cell F8. So if I want to divide it by the actual thing, I just have to come here and change it. So I want to divide the total by the average. So I put the F2 and yes, you press enter and the issue is solved. Yes. So we have also this error called hashtag value. So value, for it means like you're dividing something differently. Yes, it means like you're adding something to, like, something that can never be correct. Like if I am adding a name by a number, that of course can't be true. So it will bring hash value, and the only way to solve that is by changing what I'm doing here. So here I was adding B2 with A1, I was adding 78 with Martha. So that shows it can never be mathematically correct. So the only correct thing I had to do, I had to add by C2. So instead of adding A2, I put there C2, and I'll have solved the problem. There we go. So I hope all of you have learned the common errors in Excel, and it will be helpful to you. So I want to thank you for staying up to this part of the video. May keep liking and subscribing to my videos, and keep sharing them. Your comments are highly valued. Have a nice time.